Start that shit. You start that shit. What the fuck, bro?
Yo, what's going on, Jazz Gang? It's your boy Cam, back with another banger here with your boy Callus. You already know what we're doing, man. You read the title. We're finna scare people with the air horns. Hopefully we get some people like in the bathroom.
Yo, why are you still talking? You forgot what we always got to do? How even fucking over? What is that?
I don't know, but that was, it really hurt.
What the fuck? What are you doing?
Oh, excuse me?
What are you doing?
What's going on?
You touching something in your pocket making that squeal. So what are you doing?
Oh, you're the one making the noise?
No, you are.
Me? Me? You're making noise?
No.
I'm gonna have to ask you to stop making noise, please. It's really irritating me. I'm getting agitated.
Are you trying to start something with me?
Whoa, sir.
Because I'm 10 times your age. So don't start anything.
You are. You look like you're like 27, and I don't want you to whoop my ass. But if you want to take it outside.
But I'm 75 and I can still take it outside and whip your ass.
Hey. We might have to.
Okay?
Just let me know when you're ready.
I'm headed that way just as soon as my little granddaughter, she could probably whip you.
You and your granddaughter are gonna jump me?
I'm not. She might.
I can't fight your granddaughter.
Pick on me, she may whip you butt.
Woo! I don't want any problems.
She's only 9 years old. She may whip you.
She might. All right, well, I gotta go before your granddaughter beats me up.
I think that'd be good.
Is that young man bothering you? I work for the mall.
You don't work for the mall.
Undercover, I swear.
Let me see your badge.
I don't got a badge. You
Let me
talk to
see
the
your
manager
card.
right here, mall management right there.
He come up there and put something in his pocket.
You did what?
Well, are you trying to start something yourself?
Oh no, sir. I'm trying to make sure you're
I
okay.
think y'all are working together.
Oh, I don't even know that, boy. Look, right there, mall management.
What I'm saying is, he came up here and sat down, and he hit his pocket, and some big squeal went off.
He's making noise.
So don't start anything with me, okay?
You want me to go make sure?
No, I want you to not start anything.
All right.
Because I don't believe either one. I don't believe either one. I think you're working together.
I'm starting not to believe you now. Just make sure you don't do it again.
No.
better be in there.
Huh?
Don't make that noise, okay? I'll call security.
Excuse me,
I
sir?
will call security if you make that noise.
Are you bothering him?
Huh?
Is he bothering you?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I know you are a friend.
He was just talking to me.
I don't know him.
So I was
Quit
asking,
messing around like that. It's not funny.
he was just talking to me, so we were talking. You can
I'll
leave.
call security, okay?
Yeah, tell him to leave, dude. I don't know this guy. Do you
Wait,
know
I'm
him?
bothering you?
No.
Is he?
You just leave, okay?
Can you leave, bro?
Get out of here.
Can you leave?
Alright, it's alright. I don't like white people.
Can you leave?
Crackhead.
Can you leave?
Sir, you are beautiful.
Thank you.
You really should do. You should go hide in a corner and just squeeze that shit for like 10 seconds, and I'm gonna get everybody's reaction. That shit be funny as hell. All right, go to the corner.
You okay, bro?
Yeah, but
Are you making noise? Don't be doing that, bro.
it's not funny.
Don't be doing that.
Yeah, okay, I'll stop. You stop, okay?
All right, please stop making
Yeah.
noise, please. All right, thank you.
It's not even funny, man.
Yo, dude,
Everyone's like staring at you as if you're like something else.
relax, bro.
Okay, then just chill. We'll go somewhere else.
I need you to stop making noise. I'm on the phone.
Is that some kind of joke to you or something?
Whoa, you're getting very hostile. I don't like it.
Stop, okay?
Excuse me? That's what I thought.
What? That's what you got. What?
Huh? Oh, okay. Is there a problem?
Yeah.
Why are you staring at me?
Oh, I'm just looking at you.
Dude, I'm sitting down here
I'm
and
just
then
looking at this
and
like
then
you said nothing
and then
happened.
you come over here and start blowing the air horn while I'm sitting down. I don't like that.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
can you stop?
Yeah.
All right.
Stop.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Just all right. Why are you staring at me?
You're staring at me?
You like me, bro? Like what's going
I
on?
like you, man. I like you.
Whoa, dude, we can take it outside.
Yeah.
You want to?
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on.
Are you like middle school or something? It's not even funny.
Excuse me, dude. Watch your mouth.
Okay.
I don't want to hurt you. Yo, what did I say?
Yo, what you got going on?
I said
bro?
stop.
Who's spraying that shit for real?
He's spraying it, and I'm telling him to stop.
Trying to jump, man.
Dude, can you relax? His sister's trying to have fun, and you're over here just.
Is it him spraying that shit?
I think so, but he's totally denying it. Can I see your phone? What you got there?
It's an iPhone 6.
I mean, not just the front of the screen.
You want to see my
Can you
lock
just
screen?
Can you quit fucking around, but that's just not funny.
Yo, both of y'all need to back up.
You want to take this shit outside?
We can take it outside.
Let's go.
Let's go. You coming, bro? Cause I'm not.
It's not worth it. Just
Yeah, I'll beat his fucking ass, bro.
that's okay.
No, let's take this shit outside.
Hey,
Let's
hey.
take this shit outside.
Hey,
I'll fight you on the spot right
Let's go.
now,
Take this
bro.
shit outside.
Hey, it's not even worth it. Just walk.
No. Let's take this shit outside. Let's go.
Hey, it's not even worth it.
Let's go.
Just have fun with your sister.
Don't listen to him.
No,
Don't listen to him.
It's not even worth it.
Don't listen to him.
Don't fucking bother.
No.
Psych boy, you ain't getting shit from me.
It's not even.
Huh? Excuse me?
Yo, just walk away, bro.
I'm not.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's what I thought. What? Alright, that's what I thought.
What is he?
He's
Is he
high.
high?
I saw his eyes. I saw him.
Oh, his at red eyes.
I don't even know. He's like high. I just tried to.
What the?
Pull up and wet the block. Sippin' on lean, that's why. All of my dish, she won't stop. I told her to give me some slop. Pull up, we drop the top. My niggas, they pop a lot. Cannot fuck with us. All through and I buy all the shots. My bitch, she looking so bad.